Get ready for a breathtaking journey with massive bulldozers, witnessing their power as they conquer challenges at sea and on land. From hauling immense loads through giant ocean waves to navigating treacherous mountain roads and icy terrains, only advanced technology can conquer these obstacles. The pinnacle of heavy transport. Moving the massive Liebherr 974 excavator, larger than a T-Rex, was no small feat. The mighty Goldhofer hydraulic trailer and the powerhouse MAN TGX 41.680 handled this colossal machine with remarkable ease. Watching it glide through narrow underpasses with mere inches to spare was absolutely jaw-dropping. From steep slopes to low-clearance bridges, every step of the 10-hour journey presented a new challenge. Yet, the seamless collaboration between these powerful machines and the skilled Fasula's heavy transports team turned this complex operation into a masterpiece of engineering brilliance. Hats off to them for setting the gold standard in heavy transport. Incredible scenes that give you chills. A cargo ship carrying an astonishing load of over 30,000 logs battles through a ferocious storm near the Kuril Islands. The ship's massive structure feels dwarfed by waves that seem to rise like mountains, yet the crew remains steadfast. The sheer weight of the cargo combined with the relentless forces of nature showcases the true essence of heavy transport operations at sea. The crew's skill and determination, managing the ship without a single log slipping, is extraordinary. Congratulate the courageous who conquer the ocean. Look at that! The beastly bulldozer is using its sheer weight to crush a truck. Talk about power on display. The JD1050J isn't just for moving dirt. It levels anything in its path. It crushes small trucks like pickups with ease, whether it's taking on huge construction projects or compacting trash at a landfill. This is heavy transport on a whole new level. Transporting a massive telescope component to Kitt Peak at 6,857 feet is nothing short of extraordinary. The narrow, winding roads hug the cliffs, with every curve daring the team to push their limits. Combine that with sudden weather swings, from blazing heat to icy snow, and the difficulty skyrockets. Moving a colossal piece of telescope equipment to one of America's highest observatories, they've achieved the impossible. It's proof that no challenge is too great for human ingenuity and determination. Facing challenge. Moving a 200-ton reclaimer along Roy Hill Road is a real battle. The road is a dirt track with sharp turns and barely wide enough for 2 trucks to pass. At 40 kilometers per hour, each turn becomes more intense than ever. There's no room for mistakes. Everything relies on the steady hand of the driver and the engine's power. It's just mind-blowing.
It's all go here, mate.
Wow. TT-4 once again showcases its legendary power. This Soviet-era beast is flexing its muscles, pulling the log truck out of the mud. The smoke and sounds create such an intense atmosphere. It feels like a battle out there. What an amazing sight! Energy Transportation Inc. tackled the daunting task of hauling a 250,000-pound crude vessel from Salt Lake City to Casper in just 3 days. This operation required meticulous planning, involving around 100 man-hours for route surveys, utility company coordination, and engineering diagrams. By carefully navigating under 1,200 power lines and utilizing their Kenworth C500 tri-drive trucks with Trail King dollies, the team ensured a smooth journey. Every twist and turn on the road tests Gary's nerves, but his ability to control that massive storage tank proves he's in a league of his own. Leaving Summerscale's Immingham Depot, escorted with that 4.92 meters wide storage tank, the sheer width of this load makes each maneuver a precise challenge. Navigating past obstacles without a scratch requires a level of skill that's nothing short of impressive. Don't blink. This is heavy-duty logistics at its finest. Experience the future of recycling with VTN Scrap. Shear CI 7000. This machine is shredding bulldozers in a recycling plant. The hydraulic force is insane, cutting through steel like it's cardboard. For machinery fans, it's tough to see such destruction. But hey, when machines can't be repaired, they have to go. Upgrades are essential. Can't take my eyes off this colossal steel. 4 massive tanks, spanning 17 meters in length and 5.2 meters in diameter, embarked on a monumental journey from Durban's port, destined for their esteemed client. What an ambitious project to relocate that bridge in Dowdle using the Enerpac box jacking system. They ran into some challenges with structural weaknesses, but after some serious brainstorming, they nailed down a new transport strategy. The 790-ton bridge was smoothly maneuvered onto the shore with a row-row operation and 6 sturdy JS-250 legs. Using 2 X-1010 SPMTs and Wagenborg trailers, the new bridge is all set to widen the canal and boost local capacity. Impressive work all around. Volvo's rugged power and Scania's unstoppable V8 dominate southern Chile's wild terrain. Fully loaded with massive logs, these trucks tackle steep, muddy slopes with ease. Their suspension and axles handle the strain like champions. Wow, the raw strength here is unmatched. True heroes of the forest. All right, folks, let's hit pause on those clear highways and dive into something a bit more intense. Snow-covered roads. Trying to transport a colossal 224-ton debarking drum, stretching 35 meters long, 6 meters wide, and 7.5 meters high. With both the roads and seas frozen solid, this wasn't just a simple move. It was a battle against nature. The blend of road and sea transport came into play, and the pressure was on to execute every step flawlessly. Brace yourself for an engineering marvel. J. Supor and Son tackled an oversized turbine in Canton, Connecticut, by engineering a temporary steel bridge that bridged more than just a stream. It bridged the gap between the impossible and the achievable. The trailer, one of the largest ever seen, showcased exceptional engineering capabilities. This operation highlights the expertise required for such complex heavy equipment transport. Wow, just look at the raw power of that MAN 41.540 TGX, pulling the monstrous Vestas FEV 90 machine house. This thing is huge. The weight alone would make most trucks sweat, but the sheer precision required to move something this colossal Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Now the fun really starts. The highest 3S cable car in the world. And the cables are pulled across a temporary bridge from the towering 2,812 meters at Laghi Cime Bianca to Fergsaddle at 3,365 meters. This is extreme engineering, the kind of challenge that would have most people shaking in their boots. But these professionals make it look easy. It's a perfect example of technical expertise and precision, pushing the limits of what's possible at such high altitudes. Welcome to Texas, the stage for the 200,000 Elliott compressor's impressive trek. Get ready for a front-row seat to witness power, precision, and pure engineering marvel. Massive transport operation. Two colossal 145 metric ton pieces were expertly maneuvered on turntables from Sviatnov to Schiedam via Mielnik port. The pre-carriage journey to Mielnik took 3 days for each piece, and a single port crane handled the transshipment. Their combined dimensions reached an astounding 61.00 by 4.50 by 5.20 meters, weighing in at a staggering 250.5 metric tons. How incredible is that? The Scania R620 truck battling the rain, navigating the narrow streets of Valpola, Sondrio, and powering up slippery mountain roads. The Komatsu PC600 excavator sits atop this mighty semi-trailer, challenging gravity itself on the steep climbs to a high-altitude construction site. Its transport reimagined as a thrilling feat of strength and ingenuity. Look at that barge. It's packed with trucks carrying huge wooden logs, all set to cross the water. One truck is already on board, while another is making its way up the ramp. It's amazing how much this barge can carry. Who would have thought it could handle so many trucks in such a beautiful setting? This is heavy hauling at its finest. A colossal SIG transformer embarks on a nerve-wracking journey from Versoix to Verbois. Guided by a powerful heavy-duty truck towing an extraordinary oversized trailer, it navigates the bustling, narrow streets of a crowded residential area. Every turn demands absolute precision. No room for error, no margin for collision. This is transport at its most intense, where power meets perfection. In a groundbreaking move, Precision Heavy Haul uses a specially designed Callan Siebert heavy haul trailer to transport a gigantic satellite dish from New Mexico to the University of Arizona. This innovative approach redefines heavy hauling. Whoa, that turbine is huge! The way that turbine inches up the slope is nerve-wracking but so impressive. These drivers are on another level. The first time I saw this beast of a machine, the Hughes-Anderson combined feed exchanger, it was hard to believe it weighed a staggering 200,000 pounds on its way to Corpus Christi, Texas. It represents a remarkable feat in heavy equipment logistics. Flat ground hauling? That's a walk in the park compared to this mountain madness. Respect to those drivers, they're pushing limits like crazy. traffic became even more dangerous. 8 colossal steel giants, each tipping the scales at 245 tons, embark on an epic journey from Bucharest to Constanta, riding low loaders and ships. These containers, nearly 11 meters wide and 22 meters long, posed significant challenges. The seasoned Felbermeyer team delivered every giant safely to the port, showcasing their unparalleled skill and determination. Every Saturday, the Great Northern Highway becomes a spectacle, known as Super Saturday. It's the only day wide loads are allowed on the road. Due to the mining boom, oversized loads like dump trucks and excavators are frequent. Trucks travel in tandem, one for the dump bucket, another for the chassis, and sometimes a third for the wheels. Excavators are broken into 3 parts, with tracks weighing 120 tons requiring 2 trucks. The Brockman Bridge sees chaos as these giant loads face off against road trains. Who knew cleaning tracks could look so cool? That BC-11 looks like it's got superpowers. Bet the engineers are having a blast watching this thing roll.
What you are witnessing is the Panther SIP. That's right, your eyes aren't deceiving you, as the Panther SIP, the certified builder instructor for WestTrack here in WA, is about to turn the corner.
Whoa! Did you see that? That Cat 6015 excavator sitting proudly on that Panther low loader is insane. It weighs an unbelievable 140,000 kilos. That's like a whole lot of heavy.
Site-specific requirements, superior safety features and ease of operation.
And just look at the Cat 745 truck doing the pulling. Pure muscle, no kidding. The way that Panther low loader handles all that weight? Mind-blowing. It's like watching a perfectly choreographed performance, but with massive machines.
As you can see, Nathan has tracked up with the 6015 trolley.
We hope you enjoyed today's exclusive look at the incredible machines that dominate the roads and move the world's heaviest loads. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming heavy transport adventures. See you in the next one.